Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I am Arsenio BJJ, and we are bringing you another BJJ breakdown video, this time featuring Black Belt Tate from ZR Team. And I wanted to bring some more rolling footage with females because they are actually lighter weight, and since I'm in the lighter weight class, it's more technique focused in my opinion. Women tend to be more technique focused or more technical. Shouldn't say technique focused, but more technical. And as a light featherweight, I am also have to be very technical because I don't have the power or the build to kind of muscle through things. So without further ado, let's get into this breakdown. We're going to slap bump here and get going. So I'm trying to establish some judo grips, trying to switch up the stand-up game. So I've got my left hand on the back of the tricep right here, and I try to go for an uchimata right there. Almost get my foot taken by her for the takedown, so I immediately step away. What I'm doing with my right hand is trying to grab the top of the collar right there, and I hit the foot sweep, but she also pulled guard, so I don't know if that's 2 points. Let me know in the comments. I think that would be 2 points for me, but I'm not entirely sure. So anyway, she's doing a very good job of setting up a spider guard. She's a very, very, very good spider guard De La Riva player. So it gives me a chance to work on my passing. So what I'm trying to do is kind of stack my weight on her foot right there and then get the pass. So I'm able to get her feet together. I take my left arm, and grab her pants and almost get set up in a triangle right there, and she gets right back to the spider guard, but I'm able to strip the grip and break that. But here she's setting up the sit-up guard, and she's doing a very good job of putting her foot on my knee right there and stopping me from being able to stop that sweep. That was very, very powerful and very, very good. So I concede the sweep there because there was not much I could do in that position. Instead of what I should have done is backed away, but I was so committed to that collar sleeve grip and trying to pass that I completely let myself forget that when that happens, I need to step away. But I'm able to get into closed guard, and as you guys know in my other videos, closed guard is one of my tried and true positions, and I love it very, very much. So as you can see here, what I'm doing is taking her left arm and bringing it across the center line, taking my right arm and grabbing the lat and grabbing the pants right there. And what I want to do is get this sweep. So as you can see, I'm kind of trying to work on keeping her off balance and me trying to come up right here. And then I grab the pants and I try to get the sweep right there, but I'm not able to complete it. So I just go right back to trying to bring that arm across the center line. I try to use the lapel here, try to strip the grip that she has with her left arm on my collar, and keeping the high close guard and really working the close guard position here. So as you can see with my right arm, I'm grabbing the top of her gi material, and you can't see it from this angle, but she's trying to stack me right here. But what I'm doing is I'm keeping a very, very high close guard, and I'm trying to transition right here, getting that top lock that's made famous by Danaher. And I almost get a triangle set up, but I realize I don't have it. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking my left arm under my leg and really locking down that arm. This is my right arm is across her face. So this is the Williams guard position that I haven't really played, but it's very, very good for close guard and sweeping into omoplatas. As you can see here, I get the omoplata sweep, but I leave my arm open, and she goes ahead and gets the omoplata on me. So I roll through, almost setting up a triangle right there, but I'm not able to do it, and she rolls through, and we end up in a leg lock, leg entanglement position. So it was a back and forth roll through of omoplatas, which was really, really cool to see. So here I'm setting up that single leg X, and what I want to do is try to go for submissions, ankle locks, foot locks from the bottom. But she's doing a good job of going to her side, kicking my hip and my other arm and stopping me from finishing that ankle lock position right there. So we're still in the ankle lock position here, and what I do is I end up just coming up on top to kind of work for something else. So here she gets me in what does she have right here? Actually, I can't really see from this angle, but what I'm trying to do here is trying to pass, but oh, okay, now I see it. So she had me in like a De La Riva, but I was able to step through. I'm going to take my hands, try to rip that leg to the other side, but she ended up getting a spider guard, which I was able to break free from. And here I get into my over under position again, tried and true passing, smash passing that I really enjoy doing, and it's very versatile. As you can see, I can chain a lot of top passing from my feet into the passing from the over under. So here I'm trying to basically smash her legs together and get my leg in between to get to a dope mount position, but I wasn't able to really capitalize on that. As you can see, her left ankle was in my bicep, and I tried to go for an estima lock there too, really focusing on fighting the feet because she plays spider guard so well. And here I can see 2 points. I don't know why I sat back. Actually, I do know why I sat back, because I wanted to set up the single leg X position. That's something I've been working a lot, but I should not do that when it comes down to scoring points. As you can see here, I get a single leg X sweep by rolling on my shoulders, which was really cool to see. And here she's got the daily Hiva hook, but I'm able to shimmy that hook away and get into an X pass position, another one of my passes that I really enjoy. And here I'm trying to open the turtle guard up and try to get into a back take or pass the position right here. As you can see, I sit back and I'm really working on my ankle lock game right here, but she's also stopping me from doing it by putting the boot on, and that is the end of the match. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the roll. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. A few takeaways. I really enjoyed the close guard. I was able to set up the Williams guard as well, which is something I don't know why I don't play more often in close guard, because it sets up omoplatas. A few things to work on. When I get that omoplata sweep, keep my left arm inside so I don't get omoplated right back. As you can see, there was a sequence where we were just omoplating each other back and forth. Also, not conceding points. Don't sit back to go for an ankle lock or single leg X if you're already up, because you'll give your opponent 2 points, and if you don't finish that ankle lock, you'll give them 2 points as well. But again, this is a open mat roll, so it's okay to try different things. I was able to get into my over under position, my X passing, and chain those together. So my type of passing I like to do is I like to pass from my knees and then stand and then back to the knees for the over under, kind of like an up down type of passing. Really tire the person out, get their legs up when I'm standing to pass, and then bring them back down when I'm kneeling to pass. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will be bringing more content to the channel, more technique breakdowns, more rolls with females and black belts and higher level people. We had a lot of promotions this past weekend. So Matt Enforcer Mike is now a black belt, so I'll be bringing some rolling footage of that. We got a ton more black belts, brown belts, and things of that nature. So we will be bringing more videos to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. And that is the end of that one. Peace.